Hank, what's up?
Listen, kid, I've been thinking. When you was chasing me across those buildings with all the helicopters and all before...
Right. Yeah, I'm sorry about all that.
No, I was just gonna say, you clearly been getting the hang of those smoke tricks I gave you.
Well, I kinda need you to teach me one more. You managed to escape her tower once. How'd you get past those electrified barricades?
There's a transformer on a roof across the way you gotta shut down. But it ain't gonna do you no good. She got the whole thing armored up and half the DUP forces standing guard.
Right, but maybe if we both work together...
Hey, my specialty's breaking out of places like that, not in. Listen, we both got our reasons for getting to Augustine. She got something each of us wants. But we gotta do it on our terms, not hers. We gotta draw her out of her castle and out here, where we stand a chance.
Any ideas?
Well, you know them two kids that was on the armored bus with me?
Fetch and Eugene.
I guess. Anyways, DUP's got them.
What?
Just happened. That was all the commotion before. Guess you needed to reel them in to make up for me getting loose. She's sending them out to that big concrete platform the DUP built between the two islands.
Well, then we gotta help him.
Now, there's a pier right across from that platform. Meet me there just after sunset.
I'll be there. Reggie, Eugene and Fetch.
I heard.
Hank and I, we've worked out a plan to storm the island and take out whatever dupes are guarding them.
Delsin, I've been thinking, there have been a lot of innocent people killed lately. Normal people.
Normal? Jesus, Reg, we're not going back to that, are we?
Look, I'm not sure I can help you add to that count, alright? Just to set a couple of bioterrorists free.
Reggie,
I'm a cop. I'm supposed to prevent this kind of thing. Just give me a call when it's over and we'll head back to Salmon Bay. And Delsin, watch out for Hank. I don't trust him.
Reg, what are you doing here?
Look, those are people over there. They need our help. Not bioterrorists, not conduits. People.
Well, thank you. And thank you for being here, so...
What's the cop doing here?
He's my brother, okay? He's here for me. So, what are you thinking?
I've been doing some recon. Our best bet's the dock on the far side. It's less exposed. Figure you two can do your smoke gift
Thank
and
you.
Draw their attention out front. I'll commandeer a boat and go in during the distraction.
Why are you going in first?
Because I'm a cop. Which means I can commandeer a boat and it's legal. You steal a boat, I'm gonna haul your ass in.
Oh, he'll do it, too. So we'll see you inside, right?
Yeah. See you inside. Stay safe, will you?
Now listen, we get out there and start making noise, Augustine will come running. Come on, I know a way into the island we won't be seen.
can you explain what happened? I saw Augustine kill you back in...
You saw her shut me up is what you saw. Big difference. Shouldn't have brought the cop, man. Now listen, we get out there and start making noise, Augustine will come running. Come on, I know a way into the island we won't be seen.
Can you explain what happened? I saw Augustine kill you back in...
You saw her shut me up was what you saw. Big difference. Shouldn't have brought the cop, man. That's a mistake.
Huh, funny. Said the same thing about you.
Here she is. We pop in here, should come out smack dab in the middle of the thing.
You sure about this?
Hey, when I was in that tower, I saw things. One more thing. They got one of them drone things out there. The ones you get powers from.
How you know about that?
Sure would be nice to get a new power before stomping on Augustine. Let's go. Okay, here's the plan. We start cracking these support pillars, they feel the rumbling, and the guards come down to check it out. We'll take them out and Augustine will come running. Gotta be fast.
We're pretty thick.
Ha ha, what'd I tell you?
Sorry I didn't trust you, man.
Damn straight. I'm just getting started. That's payback for Curtin K, Jacko!
Cannot believe we're cracking these things.
Save some for the dupes, kid. What you get for messing with a prime, idiot?
I don't see you. Anyone? Get to better position.
These dupes are a pain!
Find out what made that noise. I want to know where that noise came from.
Teach you to tangle with me!
Found him.
You about ready for a new power?
Look, how did you...
Come on, she should be here any minute. Hurry over here and let's see what powers you get. What? All of a sudden you don't trust me?
I don't know, man. Something's not right. Maybe I should call Reggie.
Hank!
Henry, you didn't disappoint me.
I did like you asked. You just do like you promised.
Son of a bitch, I trusted you!
Never trust a convict. I see we found something in your size, but just to be sure.
Oh, lady. When my brother finds out what you did, oh, he is gonna...
He's gonna what?
You could have hit me!
Yeah, that's payback for blasting me with the angels. Now come on, get up. Come over here, I'll get those cuffs off you. This way, I'll cover you.
Reg, she's still alive. She's gonna come back and I can't use any powers with this concrete crap on!
What the hell happened?
It's a trap, man. Hank let us out here so Augustine could kill us.
Told you!
God, I just don't understand why he would do that to us.
Because he's a bad guy, and bad guys do bad things. You may have superpowers, but it wouldn't hurt you to still listen to your brother every once in a while.
hurry, I can't find Augustine like this.
Okay, get up here.
I'm trying! What the hell?
I got him! Sorry, I'm out of grenades. You have to do this the old-fashioned way. What do you mean? Put your hands up here. Don't flinch. I knew we couldn't trust him.
Okay, you were right. If I'd listened to you, we wouldn't even be here.
Well, as long as we are here, we should save those two people.
How are you gonna get us out of here?
I'm gonna have to shoot you down.
Sounds like a plan Cop Man would come up with.
Actually, it's starting to luck.
Oh crap!
Look out!
Stop!
Leave my brother alone, you bitch!
Oh, dear God.
Reggie!
Come on.
Reggie!
Delsin, look at me. You gotta let me go.
No, I can do this!
Listen, we can't let this stuff get to you two. David, I'm so proud of you.
No.
Always have been.
No! Reggie, don't!
I love you, bro.
you! You killed him! Die!
butchered my people!
Good deal.
Why?
This is Kurt Wyatt reporting from the scene of an intense battle between the DUP and a small group of bioterrorists. You can see the last of the massive structure built by the DUP as it sinks into the icy waters of Puget Sound. Eyewitnesses tell us that the only survivor was DUP head Brooke Augustine, last spotted heading in the direction of the concrete tower that has served as her headquarters since the DUP arrival nearly 2 weeks ago. But so far, our efforts to reach Miss Augustine have produced no response. And now we're getting reports of scattered demonstrations by local citizens in support of the DUP, demanding that the bioterrorist uprising in Seattle be ended by any means necessary. For US TV, this is Kurt Wyatt, reporting live from Seattle.
I'm sorry, man. You knew. You told me not to trust Hank, but I didn't listen. But I swear to you, this son of a bitch is gonna pay.
Where is Hank Daughtry? I know he made a deal with Augustine. Now, where is he?
Tell me where Daughtry is!
Definitely felt that. Damn it! Should have left one breathing to answer the question. At least I know he's alive. Just gotta find him. Wait a minute, he called before. His number's gotta be in the incoming call log. Gotcha. hell are the DUP here for Hank?
Goddamn, never should have trusted you guys. Where the hell you at?
There's been a complication. Hold your position. May be behind schedule with your
What's
party at the
going on over
Atkinson
there?
has been notified.
Sure pounding the hell out of something. Sounds like a freaking war. I can't let the dupes beat me to Hank. Jesus. Hank did this?
Hank! You there? I'm not afraid of you, Hank.
And I'm not the conduit you were expecting. Lost Hank. Gonna have to locate the signal again.
And what makes you think a bioterrorist scum like you can leave this city alive?
We had a deal.
No, you had a deal with my boss, who's not here now. But the guys who are here enlisted to hunt down you bioterrorists.
I done what you asked. You gotta keep
I've already lost 7 of my buddies here in Seattle to you bioterrorists.
When Augustine finds out you went back on our deal.
I know he's here somewhere. He does seem to like the rooftops. Believe this. Gotta be getting close. Guess I'll give this tracker one more shot.
What do you know? Turns out I don't need your goddamn protection.
You haven't made it out of the city yet.
Yeah, well, I left a trail of you guys' carcasses from...
He's heading to a marina, running out of dry land. I'd say me and old Hank are about to meet up again.
Son of a bitch. She killed Reggie.
I didn't know, I swear to God.
You didn't know? You set us up!
She said she wasn't gonna hurt you. She promised she's just gonna talk.
Wouldn't you believe her?
She got a sadistic streak a mile wide, but I never heard tell of her actually killing a conduit.
My brother would still be alive if it wasn't for you.
She had my daughter.
Where are you? Why don't you just come with us? Just disappear.
Stay safe, Hank.
I'm coming, honey! Let's go home!
It's time to get what I came for, Augustine.